What's up, family? Welcome to Ddins Xperience. Here we do food recipes and tips, food gadget, kitchen tool reviews, challenges, and more. Before we get started, if you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell at your bottom right and hit all. If you have any ideas or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. And without further ado, let's get to the menu. Okay, for Mother's Day, we're gonna have strawberry marble cheesecake brownies. All you're gonna need is cornstarch, cream cheese, whipped cream, sugar, heavy cream, water, vanilla extract, strawberries, and your favorite brownie mix. This is gonna be a beautiful and delicious dish for Mother's Day. And without further ado, let's get to creating this for your mama, family. Okay, I'm not gonna make cheesecake today. I do have 3 of them out there and I will leave that in the description below. But we will use camera magic and make our cheesecake filling. Give me a like. Yes. Now, we're gonna go ahead and move over to our brownie mix. Make sure you do follow the instructions closely on the back of the box, family. Okay? Now, with a little bit of TLC and follow the instructions, we will have our specially double chocolate brownies. Now we're gonna move over to the star of our show, our strawberry glaze or syrup made. We're gonna have 1 cup of strawberries, a ½ cup of sugar, 1 cup of water, and we're gonna give this a light mix, family. Don't forget to turn on medium-high heat until that sugar melt, family. At this time, we're gonna go ahead and add in our cornstarch and water. 1½ tablespoons of cornstarch to 3 tablespoons of water. 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and we're gonna give this a light mix, family. And until this melt down, give me 2 thumbs up. At this time, we're gonna go ahead and smash down our strawberries. And before we assemble our cheesecake brownies, quick fact: where did brownies originate? In Boston in the early 20th century. Pretty cool. You learn something new every day. Okay, family, we're gonna go ahead and get together our cheesecake brownies. We're gonna go ahead and add our cheesecake filling on the top of our brownies. If you have a hard time spreading the cheesecake around, go ahead and use a fork like I am. It will help it move like butter. And you will have to put on about 3 to 4 layers to make it look as thick like this, family. Yes. Now we're gonna add the star of our show, our strawberry glaze. And at this time, we're gonna go ahead and decorate. If you want to, optional, you can go ahead and remove the big chunks of fruit with 2 forks. Yes. And there you have it, family. Now, you can go ahead and put this in the freezer for 30 to 45 minutes, but I do prefer to put this in the refrigerator and let this sit for 24 hours. And there you have it, strawberry cheesecake brownies. Beautiful. I want to say thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell at your bottom right and hit all. Share this video with at least 1 of your friends. Let's make it to our next 5,000 Ddins. And to our next food adventure, peace.